Hey, it's Mike here with AutoAnything.com. Today we're going to take a closer look at Borla exhaust systems. Borla uses a T304 stainless steel and mandrel bit tubing. Now what this provides to you is excellent corrosion resistance as well as improved flow and performance. Something that's really different about Borla though are their different muffler options. Now I myself use their touring style exhaust on my truck, and their touring muffler offers a nice deep aggressive sound at the lower RPM range, like when you're starting from a stop, but the volume starts to taper off once you get towards the higher RPMs. This has no interior drone noise whatsoever, and that's just what I wanted. But if you're looking for something a little bit louder, Borla also offers their multi-core and their S-type exhaust systems. Now this has a louder and more aggressive tone yet, and it holds it longer through the RPM range, but it still starts to taper off towards the higher end, resulting in no interior drone. But yet again, if you're looking for something even louder and more aggressive, Borla also offers their Attack series exhaust. Now this is going to have the most aggressive tone, and it holds it all the way through the RPM range. But you're not just getting sound, you're getting improved performance. Get yours here today at AutoAnything.com.